Is the bear season finally upon us? In this video, we're going to look at what the bear season and the bull seasons are, some history, the benefits of the bear season, and what you can do to stay profitable even in the bear season. So if you're ready, subscribe if you have not, and let's get to this video. On the 11th of November 2021, Bitcoin hit a new all-time high with a mark of over $69,000. Everyone presumed we were in a bull season, but about 2 months from then, the value of Bitcoin dropped by over 50%. There has been a lot of controversies as to whether we are in a bear season or bull season. If you don't understand the meaning of these two terms, I will explain. A bull season is a period when the cryptocurrency market is continuously rising, while a bear season is a period when the market is continuously declining or going down. Statistics based on opinion from 80% of top crypto influencers on Twitter and YouTube claims that we are in a bear season. Recently, BitBoy Crypto tweeted, "If you don't think Bitcoin can go down below $20,000, then you must be new here." BitBoy, The Moon, Joe Paris, and many others recently made videos about the bear season, claiming Bitcoin will most likely go below $20,000. Well, is this a reason to panic? Are we really in the bear season? Let's talk about the historical price action of Bitcoin over the years to confirm if the assertion is right. Bitcoin had a price of zero when it was introduced in 2009. On July 17, 2010, its price jumped to $0.09. Bitcoin price rose again from April to June 2011 by over 2,900%, bringing the price to $29.6. A bear season followed and Bitcoin price fell to $2.05 by November of 2011, which is about 95% decline. December 2013 saw Bitcoin surpass the $1,000 mark, which led to a bear season up to 2017, which was an eventful year in the cryptocurrency market with a lot of adoptions by big investors, governments, and influential people. Many entities began developing cryptocurrencies to compete with Bitcoin. 2020 was speculated to be an uneventful year for cryptocurrency market due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Surprisingly, by 31st of December 2020, the price of Bitcoin was over $29,000. And 2021 was the biggest year for the cryptocurrency market so far, with a lot of adoption by countries like El Salvador, who adopted it as a legal tender. Also, major institutions and banks like MicroStrategy, Tesla, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase, and many more invested in Bitcoin. The popularity of NFT, metaverse, memes, coin, and Web 3.0 played a major role in the growth of cryptocurrency market. It brought a wider adoption by many. The value of Bitcoin got to $64,000 in April of 2021 and fell to $28,000, which is over 53% in just 2 months. Well, everyone accepted that we were in a bear season. Within that time, the market slowly gained momentum and surpassed the previous all-time high by hitting over $69,000 in November of 2021. Since then, the market has been down to the $33,000 zone, which is over 51% decline. Now, let's look at some major Bitcoin all-time highs and their retest. April 2013, $290, bottom $84. Retest November 2013. Duration is 6 months. The next is December of 2017 when the price hit $19,926. Bottom $3,125. Retest is December of 2020 and the duration is 3 years. The next all-time high were $64,000 and $69,000, and the duration between them is just 5 months. Well, I think by now you should be able to come up with an answer as to whether we are in a bear season or in a bull season, following the historical analysis and where you think the bottom is. You can share your comments in the comment section below. But even if we are in the bear season, is it time to cry and wail and whine and shout that cryptocurrency is a scam? No, because a lot of experienced investors are waiting for the bear season and are happy each time the bear season comes. The truth is that investors buy in the bear season and take profits in the bull season. Why newbies do the opposite? The bear season comes with a lot of benefits. Let's look at 4 of them. It weeds out bad crypto projects and coins. Bear markets are great for separating the bad coins from the good ones. Crypto projects and coins with no real use case, the Ponzi schemes, the lending scams, and the likes fall faster, and most of them do not recover. The unfortunate side to this is that if you invested in them, you might get wrecked. 2 is development and discovery of solid cryptocurrency projects. The best season is when the noise from the scams and the amateur projects are down. Noise from newbies and inexperienced investors are down, and give room to discover projects that are not just there to cash out, but to build solutions and leave legacies with their cryptocurrency projects. 3 is that investment opportunities is another benefit of the bear market. Just like I said earlier, investors buy in the bear season and take profits in the bull season. Why newcomers do the opposite? The bear season gives opportunity to the investors. They look forward to it. They are happy when it comes. They also have different strategies they use to invest in this period, which I will discuss later in this video. And number 4 is that you learn to control your emotions. If you've survived the bear market before, you know from first-hand experience that your account eventually rebounds. How long the recovery takes depends on the length of the bear market and the severity of the decline. But there has never been a time in history when the market did not recover. Knowing that the market historically always come back, you can better control your emotions. So what do you do now? Let's look at 3 things you can do to make the best use of the bear season. 1 is generate passive income with your coins. This is using your coin to get more of the coins or other coins, so that when the market becomes bullish again, you'll have more coins to gain value from. Passive income generation includes staking, lending, liquidity mining, and crypto ETFs, and some others. So staking is locking your coin to be able to validate transaction in a POS network, or delegating your coin to validators in the network, and you earn or share in the transaction fee of those using that network. So if you have a coin you intend to keep for a long time, you can stake them to make passive income from them instead of leaving them in your wallet just lying there doing nothing. You can check out my previous video where I explained the best platforms to stake your coins. Lending is another way to earn passive income on your coin. The lending here is not P2P, but peer-to-code or peer-to-pool. So if you're thinking that if the borrower doesn't pay back, you should have no fear, because the borrower funds are over-collateralized. I did a video on how to lend on crypto.com. Other platforms you can do this include Nexo, BlockFi, Celsius Network, and DeFi platform like Compound. Crypto ETF like Tencent allows you to earn over 30 other coins as airdrop when you lock your Tencent token in the Tencent Infinity airdrop. The plan here is to grow these airdrops to over 100 coins. The second thing you can do in the bear season is what most investors do: invest. The bear season is a golden opportunity for investors, but they do not go chasing the bottom. Rather, they use dollar cost averaging techniques to invest all through the bear season. This greatly reduces the risk and FOMO. I did a video on how I made 40 million naira with 20,000 naira monthly using DCA part 1 and part 2. You can check out that video. The link is in the description. The sweet thing about this thing now is that you can DCA and stake with the same fund in autopilot. Another investment option you might want to consider is investing in projects with great fundamentals, either existing or before the pre-sale. The bear season makes it easy for you, since many of the poor projects have been torn apart by the bear, but you still have to do your fundamental analysis, which involves taking a deep dive into the available information about a financial asset. You may want to look at the use cases and its impact level, the team behind it, the marketing and the tokenomics. Your goal is to reach a conclusion on whether the asset is overvalued or undervalued, then make investment decision. The next question you might want to ask now is, Jude, we are in a deep. Where do I get the money to invest in this deep? This question brings us to the third part of what you can do. Become useful in the cryptocurrency space. If you don't have a job already, you can make yourself useful in the crypto space and people will pay for your service, like managing a community, teaching, writing, podcasts, programming, editing, and so on. These are services that are needed in the crypto space and would be paid for. You can also make use of some crypto projects like Axie Infinity that you can play and earn from. At this point, I believe you would have come to a conclusion that the bear season is a blessing to accumulate more coins and make better fortune out of these coins, and not a time to panic and sell off. Everything I've said in this video is not a financial advice. You should always do your own research and consult your financial advisor. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like the video. It means a lot to me if you do so and helps to grow the channel. Subscribe if you've not, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss any of the time-sensitive information from me. That said, I will see you in the next video.